Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a conditioning cream using aloe vera juice and a new batch of avocado butter made from shea butter and avocado oil. Aloe vera gel is an easy replacement for water. It has a naturally low pH and serious soothing properties. Now, this version of avocado butter is made with avocado oil and shea butter. It helps to thicken the final product. It has noticeable softening properties. Aloe vera juice is a great replacement for water in certain recipes. Just be mindful of the pH recommendations for your other ingredients. You also have to be careful about whether some of your other ingredients work well with electrolytes. Betaine is a humectant. If you don't have it, use whatever humectant you have. Neodefend is gluconolactone SB, a water-soluble, broad-spectrum preservative. BTMS 50 is a conditioning emulsifier that will keep the oils and waters combined while also having a softening effect on the hair. It is the GOAT as far as I'm concerned when it comes down to a conditioning emulsifier. Okay, now girl, please don't get mad, okay? This channel is not monetized. It is, I guess it's too small. We're too small over here for YouTube, okay? Notice how the conditioning cream has already thickened up. It will become stiffer by the next day, but you would definitely have a full cream. This will not be a lotion-like consistency. As I said previously, the color is optional, but I love the result. I love this soft blue-green color. This cream spreads well, it doesn't feel greasy, and you have the option of using it as a base for a deep conditioner. Add some olive oil or coconut oil to the mix and let it sit and use it like a deep conditioner if you choose to. I use it like a leave-in conditioner. I wash my hair, condition it, do whatever deep conditioner, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, and then I use this while I'm twisting as a leave-in conditioner. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.